Hey guys, what's going on? Oh, this video is a long time coming. I am in the truck bed camper. Yep, you remember the truck bed camper that I built? Oh gosh, easy a year ago. Well, I'm in it. I've camped in this truck bed camper, I don't know, 4 or 5 times. Never made a video on it. I've meant to, just never have. I stay pretty warm in here. I'm hoping that the Reflectix that's in here and the Poly Pro, I'm hoping it helps hold the heat in. It's, I don't know, it's 47 degrees inside and 41 degrees outside. So that's pretty good. That's 6 degrees difference right now. I'm in a sleeping bag. I've got a sleeping bag underneath the sleeping bag. Then there's carpet that's over the deck. About 3 inches of space between me and the actual bed of the truck. And that's probably the best insulated part of this whole thing, is there's probably a 1-inch gap between the Reflectix and the Poly Pro insulation. I want to do some studies with the Poly Pro and the Reflectix and do some different studies on how it works insulative wise. But man, it makes camping so easy though, because it's just, I've got my totes. I load my totes full of my camping stuff. I throw them in the truck, get out here, bam, unload all my totes and roll out my bed. And then when it's time to go to bed, I just jump in here and then we get our camping done. And we've been out here doing some shooting on the desert, having a good time. Campfire, hot dogs, good food. And tomorrow I'll just throw the totes back. I'll just roll the sleeping bag up and throw the totes in here and off we'll go. But yeah, it's been really nice. I've got these little compartments in here, if you remember. This one has got like jumper cables, tie iron, tarp. I've got some more. I've got like some more automotive stuff up here. Over here, I've got. I insulated the bottom of these too, and some of them have kind of broken a little bit. So I don't know how I feel on the insulation on the inside yet, but I've got my saw, some fire starting stuff down in there. But yeah, it's worked out really good. I'm real happy with it. I'm going to do a little bit of reading and I'll check back with you in an hour or so. We'll see where that temperature's at. And I'll follow up with you in the morning as well. So if you haven't, give this video a thumbs up. And we'll see you in a few seconds when we've traveled in time. Well, I'm back. I'm getting ready to go to bed. It's 48 in here. It's 40 outside. So we've gone up a little bit. So it does seem like it's holding my heat in here, which is what we want. 48's not too uncomfortable since I got my beanie on and I'm in the sleeping bag. So I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning. Well, slept okay. The wind blew last night. It blew a lot, but I stayed warm in here. It's 48 in here and 41 outside. Ease up. Oh. Hey. Hi. Who are you? Who are you? Hi. Alright, well, we're going to get some coffee made up. We're going to get some coffee made up, and we'll go from there. All right, well, it's about 48 degrees this morning. I slept all right. Wind tossed me around a little bit, but other than that, I did good. I stayed warm. We're gonna get up, make some breakfast, and probably play around a little bit more, plink a little bit more, and then we'll wrap up and head back home. All right, got everything loaded up in the old truck bed camper. We're gonna head out. Mr. Dude with the face, he's all loaded up. He's ready to go. We're gonna head out. We're going to head back home. Well, actually, that's a lie. We're going to head to the Bonneville Salt Flats. We're going to go check out where they do some of the high-speed land speed records. Mr. Dude with the Face is a big motorhead car guy, so he wants to go check that out. So we're going to roam that way, go check that out, and then head back to the homestead. So if you haven't already and you like this kind of stuff, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button below, and we'll see you on the next one.